to me. Tell me. Do the drum.
What a smart boy.
Good boy.
Smart boy. I was going to push him around. Oh, there you go. Beat on that one. That's right. Good fella. He's got the music in him. He's got the music in him.
Good boy.
Oh, it's going to start bouncing now. It's going to start rock and rolling, eh, bud? Going to be a rock and roller? You're moving out there. Push some now. Where you going? Hey, how you doing, buddy? You have that green light on, actually. I said that green light would cast more light now. Yeah. Oh, what's Nanny doing here? Play your drum.
Good boy. That's a boy. Good boy. Yoo-hoo.
You want to get him dancing to Mr. Wiggles? Did you want him dancing to Mr. Wiggles?
Oh, Mr. Pickle.
You want a taste? He said it's really good. It's yummy. So look, I can make my own noise. Oh, thank you for turning around. I knew as soon as I get up, that's what you do. Uh-oh. Let me give that a taste. Hey, Music Man. So you have to add a little drool to it, he said, to make it taste good. To make it music sound perfect, you got to drool on it. Hi, Dylan. Hi, Dylan. Uh-oh. Oh, you're going to try it on my shoes, too? Oh, there's another one. Uh-oh. Mission lost a stick. Is that good stuff? Oh,